Hello guys, welcome to Photoshop 2025 and welcome to manipulation design in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. Open multi-photo. I need to design manipulation for uh, Coca-Cola or energy drink. Select these multi photos or image. So take a look. There you have ocean and there have sunlight and the boy and the bottle or the can. So first go to select the subject and let's control the selection. Select quick selection and change the size by pressing bracket button on keyboard. Hold Alt key and zoom in. Select these, please. Hold Alt key to erase the extra selection. So and now Ctrl C, take copy and go to Motion image, press Ctrl plus V to paste. Press V, hold Alt key, changes the size and rotate, hold Alt key, click apply and go back to layer, go to window, select the layer, layers, there we have the layer. Close other parts, move the layer box here and change the opacity, select the ocean, select quick selection to select the background and select these locations of the water like this. And now select again the layer 1, go to layer, new layer, cut. Okay, select both layer, change the opacity to 100 and this top layer belongs to bottom and this bottom layer belongs to top can, and move the layer 1 to top here. And now select the layer 2, go to filter, go to filter gallery and go to distort, select the ocean ripple and OK. Go to select the eraser tool, right click, select the soft round, Ctrl Z and go back to opacity, change the opacity into 50%. Okay guys, the first step is finished and now go to select the boy. Go to select menu, select the subject and drag and drop the selection to ocean, hold Alt key, change the scale Rotate and set the boy here. Click apply. And don't forget, go to bring the sun, drag and drop here and change the mode to screen. Move the light right here, select eraser, erase. I need to filter the can and the bike to warm color. So how to do this? Select the layer 1 and go to image, adjustment, and select photo filter and select the warm, change to 50%. Select the boy here, go to image, adjustment, photo filter, change to 52%. And now go right to select crop tool, hold Alt key, cut like this. Click on apply, cut it. Okay guys, uh, the manipulation design is finished. I hope you like it, and don't forget, I will upload the all materials for homework, create and design, then share with me. So after all, go to file, close others, and save your project. Go to file, save a copy, save into JPEG or JPG. Then select the desktop, click on save. Thanks for watching.